checking the reset button. I have my multimeter set on 200 ohms. I believe that's the lowest. And I'm going to touch, the power is off to the tank. I'm going to touch the connection there above the reset and below. And my reading is 0.3, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2. And the other side, 0.4, 0.3. Again, the first side, 0.3, 0.2. And the other side, 0.5, 0.4, 0.3. Okay, I assume that means that the reset is good. But following the video, touch this one and this one. It gives me 0.3, 0.2. Okay, let me see what the next element. Again, the power is off. Setting to the lowest ohms. There and there. 13, 12.9. 13, 12.9. I believe it's anywhere between 5 and 55 ohms, that is good. Try it one more time. And we've got 13, 12.9. So I believe that the upper element is good. Let me see. Set the ohms to 2K. And touching one screw on the heating element and the tank body. And there's no movement. It still says 1. It says 1 before I start. And it still says 1. Now the top screw still says 1. It says 1. It says 1. Okay. So I assume there's no movement there. So I think that's good. Okay. Checking for the next step with the thermostat. And we're turning the thermostat all the way one way and checking for continuity. We've got 0.2, 0.3. To the other way. And we've got 0.3, 0.2. I must be doing something wrong. 0.2. Let's just check for continuity. Simply checking for continuity. Just turn it all the way up the other way. That signals there's continuity, but I thought there wasn't supposed to be. confused. Like I wasn't already confused, right? Okay, well, I guess we'll go on to checking our bottom. I need my Phillips. This is going to check the bottom heating element. Take the wires off so they don't interfere with the test. Wires are off. I don't remember where I set the ohms on that. Here and here. 10.5. 10.7. 10.5. Turn it up. Touch this and take frame, nothing. So, I still have no idea. The only thing I don't understand is on the thermostat, according to the video I watched, if you turn it all the way one way, there should be continuity. And when you turn it all the way the other way, there shouldn't be continuity. And on this, there was continuity on both ways. Let's turn it again. Let's turn it all the way that way. And I check there and there. Well, gives me a 0. Gives me a 0. That's because I have the wires undone. Turn it all the way the other way. Continuity alarm. It was with the thermostat all the way. One way, turn it the other way. which I think that means that heating element's good, right? If it's between 5 and 55 ohms, it's good, although it looks pretty rusted. Starts out at 19, jumps to 11, then 10.6. 15, 11, 10.6, 10.5, 10.6. Oops. Dropping my stuff everywhere. Oops. Hey guys. Bring it back up. $13, $20, $12.9. $13, $12.9. I don't have a clue now. Not that I had a clue before, but now I really don't have a clue. According to the test, I think that it says both elements are good, regardless of this one looking a little rough. See, this bottom one looks a little rough. See, there's rust in there. Leave my wire there. The thermostat. Check that. Check the reset. There is no thermostat, adjustable thermostat here. It says that it's see, there's rust in there. Leave my wire there. The thermostat. Check that. Check the reset. There is no thermostat, adjustable thermostat here. It says that it's set at the factory set at the hot setting.